Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is multiplication trick with nines. In this video, I will tell you how to do a multiplication with 9, double nine, triple nine, 4 nines, 5 nines and so on. Please watch this video till end so that you can understand the trick easily. Okay? So for this, I have taken a simple example 6 into 9. Everyone knows 6 nines are 54. So for better understanding, I have taken the simple one. Here 6 into 9. The other number is 6. So what we need to do is 6 minus 1. That is the first part of our answer. 6 minus 1 equals to 5. When coming to the second part of the answer, this 5 should be subtracted from 9. That is 9 minus 5 equals to 4. We got the answer. See, within the seconds we got the answer. So now I'll take an example of the double digits, that is 99. 65 into 99. So for this, as I told previously, the number other than 9s should be subtracted by 1. 65 minus 1, that equals to 64. As in the previous example, we got only one digit as the first part of our answer, but here we got two digits. Here what we need to do is each digit should be subtracted from 9. That is, first we'll subtract 6 from 9. 9 minus 6, that equals to 3. And the next digit is 4. It should be subtracted from 9. That is 9 minus 4 equals to 5. 35 is the second part of our answer. We got the answer in seconds, right? Yes. Now we'll go with another example of 3 digits number. That is 432 into 999. First, it should be subtracted. 432 should be subtracted by 1. That is 431. That is the first part of our answer. When coming to the second part of the answer, these 3 digits should be subtracted from 9. First, 4 should be subtracted from 9. That is 9 minus 4. That equals to 5. And the next digit is 3. 9 minus 3. That equals to 6. And the last digit is 1. 9 minus 1 equals to 8. 4, 3, 1, 5, 6, 8 is our answer. By using this technique, some of may get confused. How many digits should be subtracted from 9? After getting the first answer, second part of our first answer, some may subtract this digit also by 9. If you do perfectly, it is okay. If you make confused, I will tell another technique for this one. For this technique, what we need to do is all the numbers of the question should be subtracted from 9 and last digit should be subtracted by 10. First part of our answer is same. 1 should be subtracted from 432. That is 431. When coming to the second part of our answer, 9 minus 4. Here question should be subtracted from 9. 9 minus 4 equals to 5. And next 9 minus 3, that equals to 6. And the last digit of the question we should subtract from 10. That is 10 minus 2. 8. This is the technique, another technique we use. What we need to do is the quotient digits should be subtracted from 9. All the quotient digits should be subtracted from 9 and last digit of the quotient number should be subtracted from 10. Okay. When you subtract the answer, then all the digits should be subtracted from 9. Okay, now we'll go with another example, that is 32 into 999. One thing did you all observe? Yes, I will tell, that is. In the first example, 6 into 9, 1 digit into 1 digit. In the second example, 2 digits into 2 digits. In the third example, 3 digits into 3 digits. But here, 2 digits into 3 digits. The technique what I told, it will be applicable only when the digits of the multiplicand and multiplier are equal. Okay, for this, I kept 0 in front of the 32. 0 before the number doesn't give any meaning. So I placed 0. So as per previous technique, we'll subtract 1 from 32. 32 minus 1, 31. And coming to the next part of the answer, I use the second technique, that is 9 minus 0, 9, and 9 minus 3, 6, and the last digit of the question number, that is should be subtracted from 10, that is 10 minus 2 equals to 8. Yes, we got the answer within the seconds, right? Yes. I hope you understand the technique. This technique will be very helpful to multiply big numbers within the seconds. Okay, try this example, any example with these tricks, and enjoy the trick. Thank you. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.